Namaskar student, myself Dr. Kirti Joshi, Assistant Professor, Food and Biotech Department. Today's session is about food flavors and colors. Flavors is the sensory impression of a food and is determined by the chemical senses of taste and smell. Flavoring is defined as a substance that gives flavor, altering the characteristics of the solute and causing it to become sweet, sour, tangy, etc. It is also referred to as the edible chemicals and extracts that alter the flavors of food and food products through the sense of smell. Smell is the main determinant of the food item's flavor. The taste of food is limited to sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and savory, but the smell of food is limitless. So, a food flavor can be easily altered by changing its smell while keeping its taste similar. Flavorants and flavorings. Flavorings are focused on altering or enhancing the flavors of natural food products such as meats and vegetables, or creating flavor of food products that don't have the desired flavors such as candies and other snacks. Most types of flavorings are focused on smell and taste. Three principal types of flavorings used in the foods. Number one, natural flavoring substances. Flavoring substances obtained from plant or animal raw materials by physical, microbiological, or enzymatic processes. They can be used in their nature state or processed for human consumption, but can't contain any natural, identical, or artificial flavoring substances. Second one is nature identical flavoring substances. Flavoring substances that are produced by chemical synthesis, which are chemically identical to natural flavoring substances present in food product intended for human consumption. They lack any artificial flavoring substances. And third one is artificial flavoring substances, and these are not identified in natural products intended for human consumption. For products, the artificial flavor manufacturers must both find out the individual naturally occurring aroma chemicals and mix them with appropriately to produce a desired flavor, or create a novel non-toxic artificial compound that gives a specific flavor. Now, flavor enhancers. They are an amino acid or nucleotide derivatives that are capable of enhancing the odor of food. Most flavor enhancers are called as savory flavorants or umami. These are manufactured as sodium or calcium salts. Monosodium glutamate, that is MSG, one of the most commonly used flavor enhancer in the food processing, and others are glycinic salts, gulanic acid salts, inosinic acids, and organic acids. Now, food colors. Color is the main sensory quality by which foods are judged. Food quality and flavors are closely associated with color. Color far overweights flavor in the impression it makes on the consumers, even when the flavor are pleasant. Color powerfully influences the consumer's ability to identify the flavor and quality. Color is the general name for all sensations arising from the activity of the retina of eye. Color is important to many foods, both they are unprocessed or manufactured. Together with flavor and texture, color plays an important role in food acceptability. The colors of foods are result for natural pigments or of added colors. Color compounds are a unique class considering their structural derivatives and extremely complex chemical and physical properties. Now, classification of food colors. First, natural colors. Natural colorants are those that are extracted from animals, vegetables, fruits, minerals, and spices used to color foods. That example, carotenoids from annota, paprika, saffron, anthocyanins, caramel, chlorophyll, and turmeric. Carotenoids are used the most, followed by the red pigment and brown colored caramels. Anthocyanins are the water-soluble compounds responsible for the red to blue color of variety of fruits and vegetables. They can derive from various sources including grapes, red currants and black currants, raspberry, strawberries, apples, cherries, red cabbage, brinjals. They provide orange, red, blue, violet and magenta colors. Carotenoids are widely spread natural pigments in plants and animals. It is estimated that natural products some 3.5 tons of carotenoids every second. Over 600 different carotenoids have been identified and many of those are present in our diet. They provide natural yellow, orange or red colors of many food as well as being used extensively non-toxic, natural or nature identical colorants. Chemically, the carotenoids are aliphatic or alicyclic members of terpene group. Second one, nature identical synthetic colors. These are synthesized in the laboratories and of very limited ranges available. Third one is artificial colors. There are two types, FD and C dyes and FD and C lakes. Dyes are water-soluble compounds that produce color in the solution, whereas lakes are made in combining dyes with alumina to form insoluble colorants. Coal tar is available in wide range of colors. Next is inorganic colors. PFA prohibits use of inorganic color except titanium dioxide, which is permitted in chewing gum. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 JV University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. Thank you.